guys, welcome back to the Rubik channel. Today I'm going to be solving this Rubik's Cube right here in Sarah's bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to be solving this. I don't know if I'm going, yeah, I have to make it at a better height. Whatever, this is fine. Hopefully you can see me doing the whole thing. Right here are marks. Get set. It's so hard to, I have to look through the camera to solve this. Go. This is hard. I cannot solve this right now. Okay. Oh, this is so hard. I have to look now. Okay. Here we go. By the way, my record's like 52 seconds. I mean, 1 minute 52 seconds. Oh wait, you can't see that. This is so hard to do this. Oh, got that stuff done. Almost done. Done. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.